Moto Guzzi presents the new V7 Stone Corsa at Mandello. It's a stylish cafe racer with a headlight cover at the front and a pillion cover at the rear. As part of the annual open house event at Moto Guzzi's headquarters in Mandello del Lario on September 12, 2023. The traditional Italian brand unveiled another model variant based on the classic V7 in front of thousands of Guzzi fans. This new V7 variant appeared at the fan meeting as something obvious yet surprising that made Guzzisti very happy. The reason is that the V7 Stone Corsa is a sporty version. La Corsa is racing in Italian. The authentic and contemporary background for this sports edition is the V7 Cup entitled Moto Guzzi Fast Endurance, which has been running since 2019. The main styling element of the V7 Stone Corsa is the two-tone red and gray metallic paint, classic round headlight covers and hump seat with optional pillion cover. Other cafe racer accessories include handlebar end mirrors and a fuel cap made from dark anodized aluminum. Additionally, Moto Guzzi marks the Corsa edition with a corresponding badge on the handlebar clamp. The tubular handlebars allow for a comfortable seating position, and despite the Corsa, the Moto Guzzi doesn't require a steering column that requires bending. The engine runs without any changes compared to the current standard V7. So a true classic, an air-cooled 90-degree V-twin with both cylinders side-by-side airflow and only 2 valves each. With 853 cubic meters, the V7 has a Euro 5 compliant maximum output of 65 horsepower at 6,800 revolutions per minute and 73 Nm at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Another Guzzi tradition is cardan drive to the rear wheels, and the 6-speed gearbox can be shifted diligently, up to a top speed of around 175 km per hour. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa is scheduled for deliveries from October 2023 and will be priced from €10,199 in Germany, including surcharges and modern equipment details such as LED headlights with daytime running lights, digital LCD cockpit and slip control. Excludes passenger cover, which is optionally available as an original accessory, and the price is not yet known.